Hello everyone, today let's learn how to fix Spotify Wrapped 2022 not showing. It's very easy to fix it. So the first solution I would recommend you it's of course check updates for Spotify application. So basically open up your App Store or Google Play, then tap on search bar, and of course write Spotify and then find Spotify application. So basically if you see here updates, that means you have any updates for this specific app. Here says open and you not see update, that means you use the latest version of the Spotify app. So second solution is open up the settings application, then scroll down until you find general, tap on software update and check updates here for your device. Third solution, of course, reboot your device. So basically you just press and hold on the locket button at the top right of your device and then just tap on shutdown, and then again press and hold your lock button screen and enable your device. And when you do all correct, basically you can find Wrapped 2022 on home page. If you not see on home page Wrapped 2022, you just simply tap on search, then tap on 2022 Wrapped, and here you are. You just tap on your Wrapped is here. I just turn off sounds. As you can see, my Wrapped is working as normal. Alright, if you scroll down, you just tap on your songs. As you can see, here says your top songs 2022. So basically you just scroll down and find any songs that you Wrapped. Alright,
if you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.